Yeah, I think that epidemiology itself um, doesn't claim that it can show that a particular individual got a disease from an exposure. What epidemiology does, as I understand it, is to show that certain risks exist for populations that increase the chances of them coming down, of the population having a greater number of events than other populations, but that epidemiologists are not diagnosticians and that they don't show that a particular condition in a particular person was caused by a particular event. And that's what the law is about. The law requires a showing that a particular person got a particular disease for a particular reason. And since things happen to people for all kinds of reasons, the fact that, so, leukemia exists absent these chemicals. The fact that one can show that it looked like a population had a higher risk of an event occurring, it doesn't mean that that's why it occurred to this person. And that's what lawyers have to prove. And you also have to keep in mind that the burden is on the person bringing the lawsuit, the families in these cases, to prove the case. It isn't that the defendant, the chemical companies in this case, have to prove that it didn't happen, that the plaintiff has to prove that it did happen as a result of this. And that's very, very difficult to do. And it has to be proven by a preponderance of the evidence. It has to be more likely than not that they were, that this disease was caused by these chemicals. And there's doubt. I mean, there's often doubt if you can show whether or not this particular child got this particular leukemia because of this particular chemical.